उहाँ तिम्रो लागि पागल हुनुहुन्छ। He is crazy for you. He is crazy for you. यसका लागि उहाँलाई विवश गर्नुहोस्। Convince him for it. Convince him for it. मलाई पार्कमा लैजानुहोस्। Take me to the park. Take me to the park. के तिमी मलाई जगाउने छौ? Will you wake me up? Will you wake me up? भाडामा बस्छु। I am living on rent. I am living on rent. उसले मलाई जिस्काउँदै थियो। He was teasing me. He was teasing me. आफ्नो आँखा खुला राख्नुहोस्। Keep your eyes open. Keep your eyes open. केही गलत छ। Something is wrong. Something is wrong. किन रिसाएको? Why are you upset? Why are you upset? पछि पछुताउनु पर्दैन। Don't regret later. Don't regret later. उनको निधन भयो। He passed away. He passed away. बहाना नबनाऊ। Don't make excuse. Don't make excuse. मैले गरे जस्तो गर। Do exactly as I do. Do exactly as I do. नराम्रो बानी छोड्नुहोस्। Give up bad habits. Give up bad habits. मैले उसलाई गाली गरेको छैन। I didn't abuse him. I didn't abuse him. यो उसको स्वभाव हो। It's his nature. It's his nature. मलाई पछि सम्झाउनु। Remind me later. Remind me later. हार नमान्नुहोस्। Don't give up. Don't give up. म भावुक छु। I am nervous. I am nervous. मलाई तिर्खा लागेको छ। I am feeling thirsty. I am feeling thirsty. मलाई भोक लागेको छ। I am feeling hungry. I am feeling hungry. मलाई विश्वास गर्नुहोस्। Believe me. Believe me. तपाईं कसरी गर्नुहुन्छ? How do you do? How do you do? सकेसम्म चाँडो। As soon as possible. As soon as possible. मलाई एक हात दिनुहोस्। Give me a hand. Give me a hand. मैले बुझिन। I do not understand. I do not understand. मेरो मतलब छैन। I do not mean it. I do not mean it. तपाईं कति वर्षको हुनुहुन्छ? How old are you? How old are you? तिमीलाई के चाहियो? What do you need? What do you need? तिम्रो के विचार छ? What do you think? What do you think? मौसम कस्तो छ? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? तिमी कहाँ जाँदैछौ? Where are you going? Where are you going? मलाई थाहा छैन। I have no idea. I have no idea. म सहमत छु। I agree. I agree. अंग्रेजी सिक्नको लागि भिडियोलाई फलो, लाइक, शेयर एन्ड सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला।